I'm Steve Karstensen. I'm here to talk to you about the sleep course at the Pankey Institute. With dental sleep medicine, it's a new professional challenge. You get to know your patients at an entirely different level. New challenges for your team, new opportunities to teach them something new.
This faculty is it's stellar, and the education that you get here is unreal.
I have a new set of eyes to look at my patients and help my patients, because once you see these things that are airway driven, you can't unsee them.
This course on dental sleep medicine here at Pankey has just been fantastic. The things we learn, we can implement immediately.
You'll be Pankey confident for going home and being able to treat those patients in your practice that you want to help with airway problems.
So you're learning from the experts, and the other thing about it is it's very personal, and you can really pick their brains and really feel like you can soak up everything from these experts. You don't really get a chance to do that. Maybe you can get one here or one there, but to get them all together, I mean, that is a really special, very special thing that happens, I think, here at Pankey more than any other place, really.
We're not saving teeth anymore, we're saving lives.